Hey guys, this is Amara's mommy here, and we have some very exciting news. Amara is getting locks. Yes, so she has been asking me for locks for almost a year now. She loves them and she thinks that they are the most beautiful thing, and I agree. And so, I waited so long because I wanted her to be sure. Locks are permanent. Once your hair locks up, that's it. And I really, she's only 5, so I wanted her to be sure. So her hair is natural, and as you can see, once I stretch it out, it's really long. The only thing is that it shrinks back up. And that was my worry with the locks. I was like, okay, I've got to figure out a way to, make sure that she can at least retain some of her length, because I know how our hair is, and our hair shrinks up really bad. So I detangled it. I got that detangling spray, I think, from our local beauty supply store. Her hair's already been washed, conditioned. I did run the blow dryer through it just a little bit, just to kind of like loosen up her curls, because our hair and her hair, it curls up very tightly. So I wanted to just kind of loosen it a little bit, just so it'll be easy for me to twist up. So I'm just sectioning it now and going through it a little bit more with the blow dryer, not too much, because I don't want to press it out, because I still want her to have a nice twist. So I'm starting with 2-strand twists. I did not want to do the coils, just because the 2-strand twist is easier for me. And so I put some locking gel on it. I put the first one here, I put locking gel on it, and then I realized, of course, that the product made it shrink up. So for the next several ones, I only put the locking gel at the tip of her hair to kind of curl it up a little bit. But yeah, so I'm just doing a simple 2-strand twist. That's it. And I'm gonna do somewhat of like the grid pattern. I'm not a hairstylist, but I will say that anytime you see us with the hairstyle, I did it. If it's something that's doable, I'm gonna figure it out, whether it's box braids or locks or sew in or whatever. If you see me or her with any type of hairstyle, I did it. So I decided, why not go ahead and do her locks. So just combing through and just doing the 2-strand twist. And the first one started to shrink, so I put less product on it, and I only put product at the end. From where? And as you can see, I'm just doing your basic 2-strand twist. Nothing special. Like I said, I'm not a hairstylist, so I can't say that I have this super special method, but I do know that the twists work to start locks. So hopefully this will be very good for her, for her hair. But she loved it, and she actually wanted to stop very often and fling her hair and check it and look in the mirror. So but so far so good. So we're making progress, and let me tell you what I'm doing right here. So every few rows I would just twist her hair into a ponytail because it actually kept the hair from shrinking. I found that out, and it helped it to stay stretched, so it didn't, you know, shrink up as much. And she had a little more of, you know, her length. But so that's something good to try if you're thinking of doing, you know, 2-strand twists for your locks, or just in general. You know, every few rows, just kind of twist those down, pull them and twist them into a ponytail, and it helped a lot. So I think I'm gonna start, I think that's what I'll do for her hair at night when I wrap it up. I'll just, you know, kind of twist that ponytail down, and you see she's dancing a little bit. She's so excited about these locks, y'all. She has been asking for this for so long, so I'm just glad that we finally got it done. Also, I'll try to do a video of why Amara wants locks and what I teach her as a black mom about her natural hair, which was a huge influence as to why she wanted those. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully we can get that done soon.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I got my locks.
Ooh, you like them?
Yeah.
Turn around so we can see. Wait, come back over. Let's see. She is locks. Well, she will be locked. Right now we got the 2-strand twist going on. Shake them. Shake. Go. Sit down and shake them. Shake your hair. She got her locks. Ooh, why is your shirt? What is that on your shirt?
Huh.
What is that?
Cheeto.
Oh, Cheeto stuff. Y'all, I don't know how many locks she has, but
I can count.
you gonna count them?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So here's a cute little updo that I did for school today, and she loved it. I hope you guys love this video. We will be uploading her lock journey every single week.